In this video, I want to talk about how you can add your Wise card to your Apple Wallet. Now to do this, you want to follow these simple steps. First, you want to download the Wise app on your phone. Once you're inside of there, just log into the app, head over to the cards, and once you found the cards, you want to select the Wise card. Click on it, if you have multiple, just select the one you want to add. And then what you want to do is simply find Add to Apple Wallet. Now this option should be inside of your card on the app, and then you can just click on it to add it, and then just follow the Apple instructions. Once you've confirmed everything and verified your card, usually this will be SMS or email, then it will now be added. Now the second way to do this is to open up your Apple Wallet, click on add a new card, and then you can also add it from in there, but this one is the easiest way to do this. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.